Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppel, I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Institute, and I'm here to take you through today's trading video. Now in today's trading video, if you've watched any of our other previous videos, we know that we take you through pretty much the trading strategies that have triggered in this week, the results of those trades, how those trades were provided, and how you might be able to access this information too. In this week's video, we're going to be discussing about two different strategies here. One is what we call our extreme zone trading strategy, and another is called our important zone day trading strategy, which is one that you probably might have seen more often if you've watched any of the previous videos, as that's a little bit more of a popular strategy. The extreme strategy actually doesn't trigger in all that often, but it did trigger in this week on the NZD USD, and it was a really nice reversal, and it's something that we must show you, so we will be taking you through that today. But firstly, just before I do that, I'm going to take you through the trading analysis that we provide on a daily basis. Again, for any of you that have watched previous videos will know that our trading analysis provides you with technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading opportunities on a day-to-day basis. So as we scroll on through here, we go to our members area, and this is something that you'd have access to every day as a member, provided with a username and password to log in at any point of the day that you wish to. The information gets updated nice and early, so you can get the trades put in before you start your day job. As we scroll on down, as you can see, you've got your technical information here. You've then got some trading levels. You've then got some fundamental information in terms of fundamental views, and you've got individual analysis on different currency pairs to provide you with real insight into the market each and every day. Okay. Now, in addition to the trading analysis, we have our trading algorithm. Okay, now this is definitely something you would have seen using on the other videos. So you can see on the trading algorithm, it provides you with a different set of buy and sell zones each day. Then what we do with these buy and sell zones is we label them. So we label them for you, the most relevant ones that you should look to trade for that given day. And we label these by either putting major cap next to the zone or important trading zone next to the zone. So you can see here you've got major cap labelled next to these zones. So these are your most relevant zones to trade for the day, therefore ones that you should have orders placed at. That doesn't mean to say that you can't place orders on the other zones, okay? But that's something that we teach you when we take you through your one-to-one mentoring, so you become proficient at trading yourself, not just always being reliant upon what Platinum is doing, which is something that we really pride ourselves upon, is the one-to-one connection with the client to take them through. But we've had 4 trades trigger in. We've had 3 from our day trading strategy and 1 from our extreme zone strategy. Let me show you the extreme zone one first. So you can see in here, out of all the zones, you've got buy and sell, but then on some zones you've got extreme. Okay, so the extreme is effectively labelled that because it's the extreme cap for the day. Okay, so what we're saying is that should be your extreme level for the day. If the price goes all the way to that area, it's got a very high percentage chance of reversing. In fact, these zones have over an 80% success rate when triggering in. Okay. Now I'm not going to say they're going to trigger in every day, because clearly you can see from the market it has to move a long way in order to hit those zones. Okay. But when there's any sort of volatility and you've got an over 80% chance of finding the reversal if that hits the zone, that's a very, very good strategy to use. So with this strategy we use slightly wider stops of an extra 5 pips or so about 30 pip stop losses, and we go for about 50 pip targets on these extreme zones. So you can see even with your 30 pip stop would have been nowhere near, your 30 pip stop would have been well up here, so nowhere near where the high was for that day. You can see the 50 pip target just about hit in the end. Yeah, so you can see it did hit its 50 pips in the end, so very, very nice trade. Sort of 50 pips on a day trade, we can't complain with that. That's a fantastic day trade. Normally we only go for half of that on most day trades, but with extreme zones, because of the reliability of the zone and the fact that we know it's an extreme reversal, we're more than happy to look to go for a few more pips on those zones. The next ones we had, was the major cap zone. So we had one on Euro triggering on Monday. You can see coming on through just in here. In the end it hit its target going into the next day. And that was a very nice trade indeed for a 25 pip trade. Yesterday again on Euro into the sell zone, major cap sell zone, back on down again, pretty much hit target within the hour. Then on the GBP USD on the Monday, we had the major cap zone again sort of hitting target into the middle of the next day. So in total there, we've got sort of 75 pips generated from the 3-day trades, 50 pips generated from the extreme zone trade, so 125 pips total for the week based on those 4 trades. Now what we're doing is we're providing you with the opportunity to be able to have access to the algorithm, have access to the trading analysis and to a trading mentor on our training workshop. Okay. Now all you have to do is fill in your information here. It's an online workshop, so you don't have to, drive anywhere or attend anywhere. You attend it at your own leisure, at your own convenience. So if you fill in your details there, one of our account managers will get in touch with you, brief you on what the workshop is, how it works, and how we run people through the consultations. So I just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today's video. Really appreciate that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course, and we look forward to speaking to you next week. Thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate it.